What's up, guys? We're right here. We're about to align the truck because there's gonna be a meet later, cars versus trucks. See y'all there. But yeah, we're gonna align it real quick. All right, see you once we're in there. Dale. Nah, you don't hit. No. It is. It's stuck. Guys, we just left because the truck got stuck right there. But yeah, we're going to a new location. See y'all there. Alright, guys, we're right here at Big Brand Tire and Service because we just found one that's flat like that because the other one we scraped. So yeah, see you once we're done, or I'll show you the progress or something. He's not here, guys, so I'm gonna drive it to the meet because he went somewhere. Now I'm playing around. He's coming back. He's on the way. It's just that right now I'm gonna chill in here because he's not gonna know I'm in here. Alright, see you guys. Okay, guys, ahorita estamos aquí adentro. Va a pasar por el gate y voy a grabar a los unos. ¡Y tarugo! Alright, guys, we're literally going on the way. I'm sorry if it's too late. We're kind of going a bit late, but we'll see you there. It started at 8:30 and we're literally like gonna arrive at 10 full. Alright, see y'all there.
Yo sigo con los mismos que empecé de cero, pero hoy en día la única diferencia es que en las bolsas cargamos dinero. He tenido tropiezos, un millón de fracasos. cachuchos. Para negociar siempre me pongo trucha. Y estoy curtido en lo que trabajo, porque también quedo el poder de abajo. Vivimos para gozar placeres de la vida, que trabajamos duro día con día.
Watch out. You guys hear it? Guys, there wasn't that many people, but right now it's because we barely got here. Some people started dipping. Right now we're gonna go well, they are gonna go eat, so see y'all over there, like Denny's across the street. So see y'all there.
Nunca más. ¿Cómo estás segura tú de que le amas? ¿Cómo sabes que no es solo un hombre
Bro, that's not ketchup. That's ketchup. That's tapatio, fool.
The half are full. The half are full.
Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video. See y'all next truck meet. I'll post it right here. There guys, go see you there.